2008 to 2014, India was in economic and political crisis. Mr. Modi was very aggressive during the elections. Pakistan will take one head, we will take 100 heads. When the election was over, BJP got complete majority. He goes for the oath-taking ceremony. He invites the heads of SAARC nations, including Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Nawaz Sharif comes and gives a Pashmina shawl to Mr. Modi for his mother. Pashmina shawl from POK. That was a message to Mr. Modi that Kashmir is of Pakistan. When Nawaz Sharif was returning back, Mr. Modi gifted him a silk sari from Bangladesh. That was also a message कि बदतमीजी मत करना, नहीं तो एक और देश बनाएंगे. This was called as mother diplomacy. Napoleon came into power in 1799. Mussolini came into power in 1922. Hitler came into power in 1934. And Mr. Modi came into power in 2014. If you are writing mains next year, leave the third example. Otherwise, ICRA will not be responsible. What is the first common thing in all the four people? Sir, in democracy, take opposition as a right of a person. Don't abuse anyone. If you abuse, then you are the bigger criminal than the people who are violating the constitution. And if you abuse the ruling party, if you oppose, you are opposition. If you abuse, you are a criminal. You require this type of ruler to be beaten. You tell me when Gandhi abused the British Empire? Never. As an opposition, you have the right to oppose. Why to abuse? The first common thing in all the four people, when they came into power, their country was in crisis. And the second common thing in all the four people, in this crisis, they gave dreams to their people. So Napoleon said, good days ahead. I don't know whether BJP has taken from him or not. This can be cleared by Sambit Patra sir. Mussolini said, old glory of Rome. Hitler said, Labasarum, the heaven for Germans. And Mr. Modi said, Achhe din. Now, before I complete it, I'll mention one thing. Mr. Modi is not responsible for the present debacle of Indian economy. Dr. Manmohan Singh is responsible. Because Dr. Sahab ruled for 10 years, and as an economist, he was very clear that liberalization 2.0 is required. मैं तो भैया चाय बेचता था, उनकी तो कोई गलती ही नहीं है. The problem he knew he won't be able to fulfill his promises. बहुत हुई पेट्रोल डीजल की मार, अब की बार मोदी सरकार. Baba Ramdev said on Aaj Tak television said, how many of you want petrol 40 rupees liter? Everyone raised the hand. So, as a literate person, I am trying to be knowledgeable. As a literate, I was thinking that most of the subsidies comes from the surcharge of petrol. If you remove those surcharges, from where you will be able to give the subsidy? person. He will tell some Sanatan technique. You take the water in the hand, narrate the mantra and throw on the car. वो मुझे लगता था उस समय कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. सनातनी आदमी है यार, चंदन लगाते हैं, योगा वोगा करते हैं, तो मेरा कोई होगा इनके पास. तो सनातनी लोग पत्थर पानी में तैरा देते हैं. कोई टेक्निक इनके पास भी है कि कार पे राम लिख दो अपने आप चलेगी. हमने कहा चलो ठीक है भाई, भरोसा कर लो, अगर ऐसी बात है, बहुत हुई पेट्रोल डीजल की मार. ये इनकी गलती है. ही इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. हिज फॉल्ट इज कि ही न्यू दैट द कंट्री इज इन क्राइसिस एंड देन ऑल्सो ही गिव्स द ड्रीम. सो नाउ he has to do some work. He has to give message to his especially followers कि I am doing something. So first thing what he did, end of planning commission, Niti Aayog. Planning commission was replaced by Niti Aayog. Planned economy requires time. 4-year plan, 5-year plan, 6-year plan. He's not having the time. Immediate implementation. Then he starts roaming in entire world for FDI. Australia, Russia, US, Canada. He was returning from Russia. He takes a surprise visit to Pakistan. He attends the birthday party of Nawaz Sharif. He goes and touches the feet of the mother of Nawaz Sharif and she gives him the blessing कि उड़ता रहे बेटा. Then he says make in India, not made in India. Make in India. But then the MNCs said to him, he said to the MNCs, Apple and Adidas and Reebok कि यार एक प्लांट नोएडा में भी लगा दे यार. हमारे लड़के सब MBA MCA से करके वाजीराम इकरा उकरम बैठे पढ़ते हैं. But then the MNCs said कि sorry, your youth is of no use. They are chewing the pan, standing on a chowraha, the pan is coming out. They asked the BD from a rickshaw wala. Modi said, no, I will improve it. So fourth thing was skill development. The government says to the youth कि तुलसी जरूरी है कि पान. लड़कों ने कहा तुलसी. हाँ बोले चिंगम में मिला के खा लो. And when you are asking a BD, wrap it in a white paper. This was called as skill development. सर मैं यहाँ सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ता हूँ ना, स्वास्तिक के चिन्ह लगे हुए हैं सीढ़ियों पे. सर वहाँ नहीं लगने चाहिए. टू कंट्रोल द पीपल फ्रॉम स्पिटिंग. तब भी लोगों ने थूक रखा है. और इस कंट्री को रूलर चाहिए हजरत उमर की तरह. तुम बदतमीज हो, तुमको बदमाश ही रूलर चाहिए. थूको, जीप पकड़ के खींच ले. पढ़े लिखे हो यार, यहाँ नर्सरी के बच्चे थोड़ी आते हैं. इट्स अ बिल्डिंग वेयर द पीपल हु आर कमिंग दे प्रिपेयर फॉर यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस. अपनी पॉकेट में थूक लो. इतना ही पान खाने का शौक है, पॉलिथीन यहाँ रख लो, तो खोल के थूक लिया करो, शाम को निकाल के फेंक दो. कम से कम बिल्डिंग है तो बची रहेंगी. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज कॉस्मेटिक रिफॉर्म्स, ब्यूटी पार्लर रिफॉर्म्स. A lady comes out from the beauty parlor and a heavy rain, 200 centimeter rainfall. Eyeliner comes here, lipstick comes here. This happened with him. This happened with them. He was imprisoned finally for 6 years. Saint Helena. He was shot dead. His dead body was kept on a square. People used to come and spit on his dead body. He committed suicide. Siberia. इनका वो युधिष्ठिर जो है ना, उनको जन्नत से लोग सीधे ले गए थे पहाड़ से. ये ना मरेंगे. ये सब यार सनातनी आदमी है. सब हिमालय की तरफ जाएंगे और चढ़ते हुए जाएंगे ऊपर से. भाई साहब जो 5:30 बजे को अन्न रूल हटा दे सुबह सुबह, उससे भगवान भी डरता होगा कि ऊपर मत लाना इनको, यहां सत्ता बदल कर दी है। ये सब 300-400 साल जिंदा रहेंगे, मरेंगे ही नहीं। मालिक आने नहीं देगा इनको। 5:30 बजे गवर्नर रूल हट गया, प्रेसिडेंट कह रहा है कि हटाए कब? अरे बोले 5:30 दस्तखत करके सो गए थे, हम लोग ले गए आए। वो बेचारा बुजुर्ग गवर्नर उसको लाके खड़ा कर दिया, सो रहा था, फडणवीस साहब ओत ले रहे हैं, वो हिला हिला के ओत ले रहा है। अजीत पवार देख रहे हैं कि हमारा केस खत्म कर दोगे? हाँ हाँ खत्म कर देंगे। मजा बहुत आ रहा है, सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है ठीक है, पर मजा बहुत आ रहा है।